Guangdong OKACHI Technology Co., Ltd. was founded in 2009, is located in Zhongshan City 3 towns, is a well-known brand to provide product tools research and development, production of specialized new enterprises. We have all kinds of precision mold processing equipment, injection molding equipment, product assembly line. The company has more than 90 R&D engineers, providing a full set of solutions from product appearance ID, structural design, electronic design, software design, with a QC testing room, or QC testing station, to meet the product in high and low temperature, structural protection, operation safety, abnormal corrosion resistance, environmental protection to eliminate pollution and other testing. The company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485, IATF 1694 system certification, has successfully applied for 112 patents, won the High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Precision Plastic Mold Engineering Technology Research Center. Guangdong Province specialized and special new enterprise service customers are Panasonic, Koizumi Synth, Ashmore, SKG, QVC, TBS, and other well-known brands. The factory area of the company is 23,000 square meters, with more than 350 employees, including more than 150 technicians. The injection molding workshop is equipped with 60 sets of automatic processing machinery, and the finished product assembly workshop has 10 automatic production lines to ensure the production demand and delivery time of customers at any time. With the leading R&D production capacity, refined processing process, and strict testing methods, OKACHI Technology always adheres to the spirit of ingenuity, takes maximizing customer value as the mission, and is determined to become a world-class enterprise product distribution tool provider.